Hey my loves, hey my loves, hey my loves. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. We have, let's see, my birthday is the 21st. So we have about, 7 days? Because today is Monday. Day 14. Yay! We made it to 14. Oh, there's so many days I keep saying I'm going to quit. Because this is fun, but it's too much. Because, you know, your girl been, come on, lighting, you're getting on my nerves. Oh my God. Okay, if you see the lighting going in and out, it's beyond my control because the sun wants to do what the sun wants to do. Anyway, reason why I turned this camera on, not sure why I'm looking at the viewfinder, but the reason I turned this camera on is because your girl has, like I said, my birthday's coming up and I have like 2 different hairs I want to try out. I'm trying something different because the bougie on a budget. Camera cut off. The bougie on a budget. But anyway, let's get into it. My local beauty supply store, they have buy one get one half off. So thank you for purchasing me some birthday hair. Anyway, let's get on to the first one. Now, this one is going to be like, you did this color. My friends and family that knows me, I will stay with black hair. Anyway, so let's get on to the hair. Now, this is Prestigious. And this is in Adele 99J. And this is the hair. See the picture of the chick with the hair? Yes, it seems like there's a lot of hair on her. But, knock it off, phone. But, in person, it wasn't really that much hair. Now, 99J, if you're a hair person, you know that's like a burgundy-ish color hair. Now, I am kind of like, you really going to do this color hair on your birthday? I'll be 52. Okay, this is kind of cute. It's really kind of long for my little short self, but we're going to make it work. But this is the color of the hair. This is what the hair looks like. So let's get into it. Not doing a full review because I'm not getting paid for this. But we're trying on some different birthday hair. Now, only thing I don't like about wigs is the way they make them. I don't like that airy looking hair thing. And this one here is the plastic. It's not even lace, it's plastic. But we're going to make it work. We're going to make it work. Now, granted, let's try this on. Okay, don't pay the thing any mind. It's I'm kind of liking it. Kind of liking it. What you think? I mean, it is a lot of hair. Can you see? Can you see? I mean, like I said, I'm liking it. I have to get used to me in hair this color. I might seriously cut it down, cut about this much off. I'm not sure yet, but so cut it off and put like a little bit of side somethings to it. So once again, let's get a picture. Now we're back in the original hair. Now let's get into the second hair. Now this one here is a 1B30, and this is called Infinity Flex Part Front Lace. This is a bob. Can you see? So it's a bob. It's highlights. So from the looks of the picture, it always looked wiggy. I'm not a wiggy looking person. I don't want my hair to look, well, right now it looks kind of like it's a wig because it's not tacked down the way I want it. But anyway, let's get into this one. Okay, I don't know what's up with the little baby hairs back here, but yeah, no. Anyway, this one is more of a lace than the other one, but this is the colors. You see the highlights? There's the browns. I don't know if you can actually see it on camera, but let's try this one on. I don't really like wearing already made bobs because you can't fix them. And these are not like free part. This one here is just a regular part. So only way you can make the bob different if you turn it to the side. But this looks wiggy. I don't like the wiggy type look. And then it's so poofy. Or maybe my hair is falling out of its bun. Okay, this is supposed to be the side part. I mean the middle part. Let's go from the middle part. I'm just not liking the poof. I'm gonna have to flatten you out, sweetie baby girl. And then I have to pluck that part a little bit more because once again it's looking wiggy. It's kind of cute, but this one not. Okay, the hair is sticking me. Okay, so this is the middle part. I'm gonna have to play around with it. It just looks so helmet head. That's the word I'm looking for. So let's get a picture. Let's get a picture in number 2. Now let's turn it to the side. Let's Yeah, this will not be a birthday hair, but I will rock it when I'm doing photo shoots. But I'm definitely not feeling this here wiggy look. Too wiggy for me. So, which one you prefer, 1 or 2? I'm starting to lean more towards 2 because this one here, like I said, it looks a little too wiggy for me. I need it to look natural, and this is too poofy. It's cute, but it wouldn't be a birthday hair. But anyway, so let me know which one. So my loves, you've seen both wigs. So do me a favor, pick 1 or pick 2. Put it in the comment section down below. Let your girl know. 1 or 2. Let me put them up. 1 or 2. Matter of fact, I'm going to put the picture. I'm going to put the picture of with. Let's put the picture up so you can actually see 1 or so. Let's focus. So what I'm gonna do, instead of holding the wigs up, I'm gonna actually put the pictures up. So 1 is the burgundy-ish curly hair, and 2 is the bob. So 1 or 2. Let me know. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And happy Vlogmas Day 14. Your girl is holding on. Your girl is holding on. Anyway, let me know. I'm going to put the results on Tara Love Diva on Instagram. Thank you for watching.